super fun and unique gaming experience that you're not going to get on a typical smartphone game or even a game you play on a computer or any other screen.
That is a 200-inch TV right in front of me, ladies and gentlemen. This is awesome. The sound is incredible.
But you've got this really clever display through these tinted glasses that you can go and dig into. We're going to spend a lot of time with these glasses over the next couple of days.
I had no headaches, no discomfort looking at the images for a long period of time.
And they stay in place. So I'm going to show you that now. I'm standing up and I'll walk around them and they perfectly stay in place. You can hardly see the real world behind that picture. And of course, for watching a movie, that is perfect.